Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WooCommerce shortcodes in Elementor. This easy guide will help you enhance your online store's design and functionality. Shortcodes are powerful tools that allow you to display dynamic content like product lists, categories, or even checkout pages anywhere on your site. By combining them with Elementor, you gain immense flexibility to create stunning, custom layouts without needing to write a single line of code. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce platform. Finding the right WooCommerce shortcode is your first step. The official WooCommerce documentation provides a complete list detailing each shortcode and its available attributes. For instance, Products is incredibly versatile, allowing you to display specific items or a collection of products. You can customize it further with attributes like limit to show, say, 8 products, or columns to arrange them in 4 columns. Understanding these options empowers you to tailor your content precisely to your design needs. Integrating a WooCommerce shortcode into Elementor is straightforward. First, open the page or post you wish to edit with Elementor. From the Elementor sidebar, locate and drag the shortcode widget onto your canvas. Next, simply paste your chosen WooCommerce shortcode, along with any specific attributes like products limit equals 6, columns equals 3, directly into the widget's input field. Elementor will then process the shortcode, displaying your dynamic content. Always preview your page to confirm everything looks perfect before publishing. To truly master WooCommerce shortcodes in Elementor, leverage their attributes for deep customization. You can filter products by ID, category, or even display only featured items. Consider combining several shortcodes on one page, for example, a product category section followed by a sale products list. This creates a rich, dynamic shopping experience. Always remember to test your designs on various screen sizes, from desktop to mobile, ensuring your beautifully crafted pages are responsive and provide an excellent user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.